Hello everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports, and we're back for another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be highlighting the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle is for sale, in case you are interested. Today we're just going to kind of go over some of the features, a quick little overview of exterior and interior features, and in case you're interested in learning more, you have any questions, or you want to set up a test drive, we'd love to help you out with that. You can reach us at feldmannimports.com. So definitely love the Mercedes Star grille. We don't see that too terribly often. It's definitely super sharp. We also don't see this blue color very often either, so definitely kind of a unique GLC 300 we currently have available. We do have blind spot assist, and we've got this really nice, really sharp black interior. Some nice silver accents as well. So we'll start over here on the driver's side door. We've got heated power memory seats as well as ventilated seats. I'm definitely a big fan of the ventilated seats in the summertime especially. We've got the premium Burmester upgraded speaker package, and then you can see some of the silver accents on the door handle there. You'll see it again here on our steering wheel and even on the center console there. So black leather seat. Lumbar support there, of course. We also have a sunroof stretching from the front to the rear. And let's go ahead and hop inside. All right, mileage currently at 8,459. We do have a push button ignition. And let's talk about the steering wheel to start. So we've got our main display touchpad here, so you can use this to control everything on the main display. Also that home button there will quickly access all of the different apps. It's also touchscreen, so of course you can use it this way as well, but definitely nice to keep your hands on the steering wheel and still make adjustments as needed. Below that you've got your volume controls, you get your Bluetooth and phone settings there for accepting or declining a call. And then over here on the left side we've got all our cruise control options here, and then options here for your driver interface. So exact same sort of setup. We've got the little touchpad, we've got the home button, and then you can easily change whatever you like here to keep your eyes a little closer to the road. I would definitely love like having the navigation there. That's super helpful. And yeah, you can even go through some different service related things as well. So then while we're here, we also have our Mercedes-Benz shifter right there. So you just flip up for reverse, which then activates your backup camera. I'll show you that in more depth here in just a sec. Down for drive, and then push in for park. Alright, so back to our main display here. So we have our built-in navigation. Of course, it also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. We've got our radio here. We've got climate menu, and then our backup cameras. So we've got this nice overhead view that's super helpful for parking. We've got the rear view, and then you also have some different options. We got our side, driver's side, and passenger side, and you can also use the touchscreen to move this around. So super high definition camera. You can see our service drive over here in the distance. We've got some cars in our pre-owned section. If I scroll around, you can see Gary, our glass technician, walking over to his desk. I mean, it's just the definition is pretty unreal. It's super cool. So yeah, a lot to cover just within the parking cameras. There's parking assist, which is super awesome. So obviously, there's not going to work so great here on our turntable, but if you're trying to parallel park, this is incredibly helpful for you. Love to show you how that works in person sometime. Just reach out to us on that website. Okay, cool. So let's see, we'll go ahead and show you our dynamic select switch here. It's just these buttons right here, so you can easily click between the different performance modes. And you can set up your own individual settings to really fully customize the vehicle however you'd like. We've got a ton of different vehicle settings here too. We've got a fingerprint sensor for Mercedes Me, which isn't currently set up as the vehicle is for sale. And we go go ahead and turn that off there. Down below, we've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, USB connections, cup holders, and a little center console storage here as well. A couple more USB connections. And then last thing I'll show you is our sunroof controls. A little tricky to see here, but yeah, basically you slide forward and that'll slide the sunshade up, or the sunroof if that was open, and then sliding back will then, same thing in reverse. Sunshade will go back. If I keep holding it, it'll then start to open up the sunroof, which I won't do here because it is a little chilly here in Minnesota on this lovely November day. Definitely loving the heated seats on a day like today. Alright, so showing you the rear seats here next. Again, we've got that nice accent trim on your door handles. You've got the Burmester speakers. We've got these lovely black leather seats. Sunroof again stretching from front to the rear. Let's go ahead and take one more peek back up front. GLC 300 is probably one of our best-selling Mercedes-Benz offerings. It's got a little extra room, but it's not as big as the GLEs and the GLSs of the world. Kind of a mid-size SUV here. You can see here's our trunk space. We got a power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage here, but then of course if you need a little extra, you've got these really handy switches right here. Just the push of a button, you can lower those rear seats, and you've got even more storage to work with. And then push button to close. And that is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more, you have any questions, or want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.